Hi, Chef Tom coming to you from our exhibition kitchen. If you remember our last video, we showed you how to prep the turkey for dry brining. It's now out of the oven. I wanted to tell you a little bit about how to make sure we know when it's cooked. Insert our thermometer in the thickest places. For me, a couple of the key ones are kind of right down in between, behind the leg and the breast here. You don't want it up against the bone because that'll give you a false reading. And so we're looking for a temperature of above 165. Down here where the dark meat is, I actually like to go a little higher, maybe 170. Then maybe in the breast. Again, the bone is here, so I want to try and stay away from the bone. Again, that 165, 170 degree temperature. All right, so now once we know our turkey is done, we're just going to kind of carefully lift it up. There is some juice at the bottom of the can. So we just want to give it a chance to drain a little bit. And then just remove it to, a platter. We've got some turkey juice, we've got a little bit of fat. We've got some of those, remember those vegetables and some of the aromatics that we put down. We're gonna use that. The gravy that we're gonna make is actually like a caramelized onion gravy. We're gonna strain some of our juice in the vegetables, and we are going to blend it. We're gonna take a little bit of the juice to kind of help it go around in the blender. And we're just gonna put it on low speed. Okay. So as I mentioned, this is a caramelized onion gravy. Started our onions ahead of time, so we've really done it low and slow. So we're gonna take a little bit of our juice, and mix it into our gravy. And then we're gonna take some of our puree and mix that in too. So I think we're at a point now where we can put our gravy into the bowl. We're going to take our turkey and put it onto our board and ready for carving. What we like to do first is remove the legs. And there's just a sort of a natural seam. Just cut the skin, and then it'll kind of break apart. You could just carve it while it's on the bone. For me, I think we get a better yield if we take it off. And same like the leg, we're kind of cutting and pulling away at the same time. So we've got a nice, breast of turkey here, and maintain the skin as best we can. So now we're left with the carcass, and it still has, some good amount of meat on it. Underneath the carcass, there's something called the oyster, which is, there's two of them, one on each side right here. That's really tender. So now we're going to cut the breast, just however thick or thin your family. But this is what we're going to do for you. Then we just kind of pick it up. Platter, got some fresh herbs. That's it. So we hope you enjoyed seeing how we're preparing your Thanksgiving turkey, and we hope to see you on Thanksgiving Day. Stay safe.